Okay guys, so in this video we will speak about support and resistance. Okay, I already find all the support and resistance out in USD daily chart. Okay, so this is the traditional way to consider support and resistances. Okay, as you can see, they all provide a reaction, okay, for the price. A reaction in on a bullish and on a bearish way as well. Okay. So for our strategy, we will not consider support and resistance in this way. Okay, so we don't consider support and resistance on this traditional way, on the common way. Okay, for my strategy, we will speak about areas or zones, or as many traders call them, structures, okay, which are a quite similar topic, quite similar concept, quite similar to this one of the traditional support and resistance, but we do not speak about a single price levels, okay, but just areas from which price made in the past a reaction, okay, and probably will make a reaction in the future as well. Okay, why we do that? Just because this kind, for example, let me show you this example, is perfect. Okay, we are on the daily time frame. As you can see, this support and resistance maybe will be here or here. Okay, it depends where in the past price reacted, but anyway, if this is a good level of price from which price itself reacted in the past, okay, as you can see, it is not so accurate. Why? Because I mean otherwise it will be too easy. Okay, this is a fake breakout when price seems to broke the supports but then turn back and validate, okay, the resistance in this case. This is a fake breakout, and fake breakout happens almost every day. This is a manipulation, stop loss hunting. Okay, I repeat, otherwise it will be too easy. So support and resistance are not so accurate, and for my strategies I want something more accurate. The zones, the areas or the structures, okay, are so much accurate. Some of you, I'm pretty much sure, just wondering if these structures are the same concept about supply and demand zones. Yes, why not? Maybe it's the same. Okay, it doesn't matter. But we just to be able to identify these structures. Okay, how we identify them? We just have to see the previous reaction that the price made. Okay, so for example, this is a good area. Okay, as you can see here, here, okay, here as well, then broke, then react as well, then go up, then react here, go up again, look, okay, no, sorry, these as well. Okay, if you see here, it's a breakout as well, also in the structure, obviously, it doesn't matter. Okay, look at this here. Let me show you here. Okay, by the way, don't worry if it's not clear now what the structure means. We will speak about them a lot of time. I will give you a lot of examples, so don't worry about that. Okay, you just now have to focus on try to identify them. Okay, how you do that? Look, just you have to see where the price in the past changed the trend. Okay, so I mean, maybe you consider this obvious. Okay, but it's not so obvious. Okay, look at this. This is a structure. Okay, because price reacted here so many times. Okay, then here as well. Okay, anyway, I will give you so many other examples. Okay, the concept of structure will be absolutely clear for you. This is my promise. Okay.